Hello friends, this is Elo Elo. So welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are reviewing some by me Yuja Niacin 30 Days Brightening Starter Kit. It comes in this yellow box that has both English and Korean instructions on it. This is a travel-sized kit that has high content of goheng yuja or lemon raised in Jeonla province, where it possesses abundant sunlight that helps to moisturize and purify skin. All these products have yuja peel oil which can only be extracted 1 liter from 600 kg lemons. This kit contains of 4 vitamin C products, that is a toner, serum, moisturizing gel and a sleeping mask. Currently my skin is very dry and dull. I have pigmentation and freckles all over my face. My pores are quite visibly big as well. Let's see what can this Yuja line do for me. Also, I have few pimples too on my face. So after cleansing my face, I will be using Yuja toner. It comes in this beautiful and sturdy plastic bottle. It claims that contains 90% of goheng lemon extract, 5% niacinamide for brightening, no artificial fragrance, real fragrance of Yuja peel oil, refreshing and moisturizing Yuja toner. Now vitamin C can help skin appear smooth and firm. It heals uneven skin and scarring as well. I love how the bottle is transparent so we can see how much product have we used already. The toner is little yellow in color and watery in texture, but thicker than water. It has faint lemon smell to it. I like how it is absorbing into my skin within seconds and is nourishing it without feeling heavy. Guys, vitamin C oxidizes quite fast, so I will make sure to keep these products in dark place. So far, I'm loving the fast absorption. Yuja serum comes in a dropper bottle that has probably the lowest quantity of all products in this kit, that is 10 ml. It claims that contains 82% of lemon extract, 5% niacinamide for brightening, a clinical trial of improvement of dark spots, freckles, melasma completed, leaves complexion fresh and dewy without any sticky feeling. It has transparent plastic bottle which is great. The smell of lemon is quite faint in this serum as well. It's clear in color and has same lightweight and liquidy texture as its toner. I'd say it is tad bit thicker. Just like its toner, this serum is absorbing quite fast in my skin, even though it's summer. So far, I'm liking the zesty smell and its lightweight texture. Next, I am applying their gel cream that comes in a tube form and has the most product in this kit. It claims that contains 90% of lemon extract. Glacier water helps to calm irritated skin caused by external factors. Refreshing, moisturizing gel texture which quickly absorbs into skin. Can be used anywhere, anytime. This tube comes sealed unlike first two products. The texture of this gel is like a gel. It's clear in color and has almost no scent of lemon. This spreads really well on skin and it feels so cooling on skin like ice that I feel refreshed in this hot weather. It is absorbing quite fast on my skin. Even though it is so hydrating, it feels lightweight and is non-sticky as well. My skin on hand has brightened in first use of this kit. The last step in this kit is Yuja sleeping mask that comes in tube form as well. It claims that contains 70% of lemon extract, intensive brightening care while you sleep, skin revitalization plus brightening 2-in-1 special care, a clinical trial of improvement of dark spots, freckles, melasma completed, non-sticky fresh texture, aroma relaxing effect, no artificial chemicals. It comes sealed as well. Look how empty this tube is. It has very faint citrusy smell, but it is stronger as compared to previous products. Its texture is lotiony and gel type, just like Laneige creams, you know. It feels cooling to skin and spreads so well. It is the most hydrating product in this kit. I feel like it's very moisturizing and a little amount is enough than taking a lot. Finally, I can say that this entire kit has a non-sticky finish and absorbs really fast. My skin feels rejuvenated as well. You can use this kit daily, but I will use it once in every 3 days and will share my results with you all. So, after 15 days, do you see any difference? My blemishes and scars have lightened significantly, even though I was using it once in 3 nights. My skin overall is glowing and has brightened. My skin is clearer and smoother than before. There are no pimples on my skin. My pores are looking smaller as compared to before, don't you think? And my skin texture has improved so much. I love this kit now so much right now. I think they should increase the quantity of serum in this kit, and I'm willing to pay a little more. I will definitely recommend this kit to all of you as well, and I will rate it 5 by 5. My favorite product so far is the gel cream, as it is very cooling on skin and you don't need to follow a skin regime to apply it. So yeah, that's all about my review. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.